Antalya-Turkey was once the gateway to the ancient Silk Road, where merchants from around the world traded exotic goods. Today, this vibrant city still holds that same allure, but now it's a treasure trove of breathtaking landscapes, ancient ruins, and hidden gems. If you're planning a trip to Antalya in 2024, you're in for a treat because the best is yet to come. Let's take a look at the top experiences you absolutely can't miss. Number 10. Visit Old Town. Antalya's Old Town, known as Kalesi, offers a fascinating glimpse into the city's past. Wander through its narrow, winding cobblestone streets, and you will discover Ottoman-era houses with charming wooden balconies and red-tiled roofs. Key landmarks such as Hadrian's Gate, a grand Roman archway, and the Hydraulic Tower, which overlooks the harbor, showcase the area's historical significance. The Antalya Museum adds depth to your visit with its extensive collection of ancient artifacts. Among the highlights is the Yivli Minare Mosque, notable for its fluted minaret and elegant Seljuk-style architecture, which stands as a symbol of Antalya's rich heritage. Don't miss the chance to savor traditional Turkish dishes at local restaurants and meyhanes in Kalesi. The blend of history, culture, and cuisine makes this district a must-see, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the essence of Antalya. Number 9. Hike in the Taurus Mountains. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Taurus Mountains are a perfect destination. These mountains offer a range of hiking trails, from easy walks to more challenging treks, catering to all levels of experience. As you hike, you will be rewarded with breathtaking views of Antalya's stunning coastline and the rolling hills of the hinterland. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll through lush forests or a more strenuous hike with steep climbs, the Taurus Mountains has something for everyone. The panoramic vistas and serene landscapes provide a refreshing escape from the city. If you are looking to connect with nature and enjoy some outdoor adventure, the Taurus Mountains should be high on your list of places to visit. The combination of beautiful scenery and diverse trails makes it an ideal spot for both relaxation and adventure. Number 8. Experience Turkish Night. A traditional Turkish night offers a vibrant taste of Turkish culture and entertainment. During these events, you will be treated to a variety of cultural performances that include lively folk music, graceful belly dancing, and mesmerizing whirling dervishes. Each performance showcases different aspects of Turkish traditions and artistry. Alongside the entertainment, you can enjoy a feast of delicious Turkish cuisine, with dishes such as kebabs, mezes, and sweet baklava. These nights are more than just a meal and a show. They provide a unique chance to fully immerse yourself in the rich culture and heritage of Turkey. If you are looking for an unforgettable evening that combines great food and captivating performances, a Turkish night is an experience not to be missed. Number 7. Visit Aspendos Theater. The Aspendos Theater stands as one of the best preserved ancient theaters in the world, showcasing the grandeur of Roman architecture. This impressive structure features a striking facade and meticulously arranged seating tiers that highlight its historical significance. One of the theater's most remarkable aspects is its acoustics. The design allows sound to travel effortlessly across the auditorium, making performances remarkably clear even today. In fact, Aspendos continues to host various events and performances, offering the unique chance to experience ancient history in a living, vibrant setting. Walking through this historic theater, you will gain a deeper appreciation for ancient engineering and enjoy a glimpse into the past. If you are fascinated by history and architecture, visiting Aspendos Theater will give you a memorable experience where you can see and hear history come to life. Number 6. Explore Purge Archaeological Site. The ancient city of Purge offers a captivating journey into the past, showcasing the rich heritage of Greek and Roman civilizations. As you explore Purge, you will encounter well-preserved ruins that vividly bring history to life. The Grand Stadium once hosted thrilling events, while the Agora served as a bustling center for public life. The theater stands out with its impressive architecture, complete with intricate carvings and detailed sculptures that highlight the artistic skills of the time. These structures are more than just remnants. They provide insight into the daily lives and cultural practices of ancient people. Purge was a significant city in its era, contributing to our understanding of how ancient societies functioned and thrived. Walking through these historic sites allows you to connect with the past and appreciate the remarkable achievements of early civilizations. Number 5. Take a boat tour. Boat tours along the Mediterranean coastline of Antalya offer a wonderful way to see the area's natural beauty from a different perspective. As you set out on the water, you will be treated to stunning views of hidden coves, secluded beaches, and picturesque bays that are often inaccessible by land. There are various options available, whether you prefer a relaxing cruise with gentle breezes and scenic views or an adventurous sailing excursion that lets you explore more remote spots. Each tour provides a unique experience, showcasing the diverse and breathtaking beauty of Antalya's coastal areas. The clear blue waters and rugged coastline create a picturesque backdrop, making these boat tours a memorable part of any visit to Antalya. Number 4. Discover Antalya Aquarium. One of the largest aquarium complexes in the world, this destination offers an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Inside, you will find a variety of themed exhibits that showcase marine life from around the globe. The underwater tunnel is a highlight, providing a unique view where you can feel surrounded by vibrant fish and sea creatures. Another must-see is the Tropical Reef exhibit, featuring colorful corals and exotic species. The shark tank adds an element of thrill, letting you observe these impressive predators up close. The aquarium's diverse displays focus on ecosystems from the Mediterranean and beyond, offering insight into different marine environments. A visit here is perfect for families and anyone interested in exploring the wonders of the ocean in an engaging and educational setting. Number 3. Visit Dudin Waterfalls. The beauty of the Dudin Waterfalls is truly remarkable and offers a stunning natural experience. Near the city center, the Upper Dudin Waterfalls create a peaceful retreat with their gentle cascades surrounded by lush vegetation. For a more dramatic view, head to the Lower Dudin Waterfalls, where the waters plunge directly into the Mediterranean Sea, creating a breathtaking sight. One of the highlights of visiting these falls is the opportunity to take a boat tour that lets you see the waterfalls from the sea, adding the unique angle to your visit. The picturesque landscapes around both the upper and lower falls provide excellent photo opportunities, capturing the essence of Antalya's natural beauty. Whether you want to enjoy a quiet moment by the falls or capture some stunning images, this spot offers a memorable experience. Number 2. Relax at Konyaaltı Beach. For a perfect day by the sea, Konyaaltı Beach in Antalya is a top choice. Known for its stunning golden sands, this beach stretches along a beautifully landscaped promenade lined with tall palm trees, offering a picturesque and relaxing environment. The impressive Taurus Mountains in the background add a dramatic touch to the scenery, making it a great spot for photographs and leisurely strolls. The crystal clear waters are not only inviting but perfect for swimming, allowing you to cool off and enjoy the refreshing Mediterranean Sea. The beach is well equipped with various amenities, including cafes and rental services, making it easy to spend an entire day here. Whether you want to sunbathe on the warm sand, take a dip in the clear blue waters, or simply enjoy the stunning views, Konyaaltı Beach has everything you need for a memorable beach day. With its blend of natural beauty and modern comforts, it is a fantastic destination for relaxation and fun. Number 1. Shop at Antalya Bazaar. Antalya's markets offer a vibrant shopping experience that is not to be missed. The Old Bazaar, also known as Kalesi Sarsi, and the Antalya Bazaar or Antalya Kapalı Sarsi, are two bustling spots where you can dive into the local culture. The Old Bazaar is filled with narrow alleys lined with charming shops selling handcrafted souvenirs, traditional textiles, and a variety of spices. The Antalya Bazaar is a larger, covered market where you can find a wider range of goods, from beautiful handicrafts to unique local products. When shopping in these markets, remember to haggle to get the best deals, as bargaining is a common practice. Engaging with the vendors and negotiating prices can be a fun part of the experience, giving you a taste of local customs. These markets are perfect for finding memorable gifts and experiencing the lively atmosphere of Antalya. Antalya's beaches aren't just beautiful, they're home to some of the clearest waters in the Mediterranean. Here's a thought. If you had one day in Antalya, how would you spend it? Share your perfect itinerary in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, Subscribe for more travel inspiration.